Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. As I said in the last vlog, I reshuffled the tasks actually and I put trading as my first task. And one more thing is I'm using this wide mic for the screen recording videos so that you will understand my analysis and my thought process better. For the rest of the vlog, I'm going to use that wireless mic, okay? So let's begin what happened in the today's market. Alright, as you see the thumbnail, yes, I am in trouble. Yesterday I didn't cut the stop loss. I carry forward the option for today, expecting that market will open nearby in this position and then will touch 24,000, and afterwards wherever it goes I don't bother. At least I'll just get exit from the market if market goes to 24,000. That was my expectation yesterday. Unfortunately, I am unaware of the global events. So yesterday some news related to US came and then market today opened gap up. So I took option of 24,100, but the market opened almost like more than 100 points actually, and yes, my option went into loss. Still I'm holding it. I'll come to that later part actually, but today I didn't do anything. Why? You can see market opened gap up and this is the first 50-minute candle, and most of the time market has been moved in this range itself. There is one break out, but again it pulled back into this range again. So there are no opportunities, at least for my setup today. So I just keep on watching the market. That's it. I didn't take any trade, but I did one thing. I don't know whether it's my mistake or not. I just averaged the option actually. Now my quantity is 260. Previously it was 130. Now I just averaged it with two more lots actually. So my quantity is 160. So my quantity is 260 now. And if you see, I'm currently at the loss of minus 13,000. Yesterday, if I would have cut the stop loss, yesterday's loss was 1,200 rupees. Now it's minus 13,000. So yes, I am in trouble. I am not someone who give up easily. Okay, so right now in my hand I have 3 days: tomorrow, Monday and Tuesday. So let's see if I can get out of this situation actually. If market doesn't move, obviously I can't do anything, but if market moves in either of directions, I'll try to make it zero by taking other trades, or maybe by averaging it again based on the situation. I'll try to get it out with zero loss. So that's what my plan for the next upcoming days actually. Okay, today was not a good day, at least for me. First, I'm in loss. Second, the market was completely sideways. So there are no opportunities for me to take trade. So this is what at the trading front, and for the rest of the tasks. And I built one more app in the morning, as I don't have any trades to trade today, right? So let me go to that. So I built a simple email validator app. You can validate single email, or if you have bulk emails, you can copy paste and validate the email. Basically, these are all simple client side validations, not the server side. I'm not checking any domain if it is exist or not. This is basically the structure of an email validation. 2 tasks are done. Trading, I didn't take any trade. I just averaged it in the morning itself, but yeah, I built an app. And for the rest of the tasks, honestly, I'm not in that mood right now, but let's see if I can pull off myself and at least walk for 1 kilometer and then meditate for 5 minutes. I'll do that. Otherwise, this would be the end of the vlog.